Hello guys, welcome to Matchup Academy, your home for simple tech tips and creator updates. If you make YouTube videos in 2025, stop scrolling. YouTube has new rules this year, and if you break them, you may lose your channel or monetization. In this video, I'll explain each rule clearly with real examples so you can protect your channel and grow faster. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. YouTube is now checking for repetitive, low effort, or copied content. This includes videos that use the same AI voice, the same script, and the same background over and over again. For example, if you upload many videos that sound the same or look like each other, YouTube may turn off your monetization. What to do? Use your real voice, add fresh editing, or tell a unique story. Make your videos feel human. Yes, YouTube is relaxing its rules a little. You can now say a bad word once in the first 7 seconds of your video, but don't put it in your title or thumbnail. For example, if you say the F word just once at the start, it may be fine, but if you keep saying it or write it in your title, you will lose ads. What to do? Be careful, use strong words wisely and just once if needed. If this video is helping you, hit that subscribe button now. At Matchup Academy, we help creators stay safe, grow fast, and understand every YouTube update in simple words. YouTube now has 2 levels of monetization in 2025. Here is how it works. Level 1, 500 subscribers plus 3,000 watch hours, or 1.5 million shots. Level 2, 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, or 3 million short views, full monetization. For example, if you have 600 subscribers and your shorts hit 1.5 million views in 90 days, you can start earning from tips and mesh, even without long videos. What to do? Post more shorts. They are the fastest way to grow in YouTube. YouTube now takes up to 24 hours to check your video before showing ads. Example, you upload your video and it says checking. You may not see ads right away, even if you are monetized. What to do? Upload early, wait patiently, and only promote your video when it's fully checked. To keep live streaming safe, YouTube now says you must be at least 16 years old to go live. If YouTube's AI thinks you look too young, it may block your live stream. For example, a 14-year-old tries to go live and gets blocked unless a parent helps to verify their age. What to do? If you are under 16, ask an adult to help or wait till you are older. Many governments like the UK are asking YouTube to ban scam ads that use fake celebrity faces. This includes deepfake ads claiming a star supports a product they never even used. Example, you see a video's ad saying a famous actor promotes a new crypto app, but it's fake. YouTube is now under pressure to stop this. What to do? If you see a scammy ad, report it. Help keep the platform safe. Now that you know all these rules, follow them and you will grow safely and quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to Matchup Academy for more helpful updates. Like the video, share it with a friend, and if there is a comment, put it in the comment section and we will come back to you.